Everyone's chasing AI stocks right now, but most investors are falling for the hype. If you want to invest in the real future of AI, not just the headlines, you need to know which companies are actually powering the revolution. In 2025, AI is no longer some emerging trend. It's reshaping how industries run, how investors think, and how billion-dollar bets are made. Today, we're diving into 10 of the most promising AI stocks that hedge funds are quietly loading up on. And one of them? It is building AI chips used in 80% of AI data centers. But most retail investors have never heard of it. So let's get into it. And stick around till the end, because the #1 stock on this list might just surprise you. Starting us off, GlobalFoundries, ticker GFS. GlobalFoundries isn't a household name like Nvidia or Intel, but make no mistake, it's a powerhouse in semiconductor manufacturing. You know those advanced AI chips making ChatGPT and self-driving cars smarter by the second? Many of them wouldn't exist without the specialized production capabilities GlobalFoundries brings to the table. Recently, they announced a jaw-dropping $16 billion investment to scale up manufacturing and packaging, including innovations in silicon photonics and gallium nitride tech. These aren't just technical terms, they're crucial for data centers handling AI training at massive scale. Here's an interesting twist. GlobalFoundries just struck a deal to acquire MIPS, a seasoned chip designer known for its power-efficient processors. This move positions GFS not only as a manufacturer, but also as a supplier of AI-specific intellectual property. Think of it as expanding from just making the bricks to also designing the blueprint for tomorrow's AI engines. But is it all upside? Not quite. The semiconductor sector is notoriously cyclical, and global demand can fluctuate. However, the growing appetite for AI hardware makes GlobalFoundries one of the quiet enablers of the AI boom. Is this a hidden gem that could power the next wave of AI infrastructure? Next up is CoreWeave, trading under the ticker CRWV. If you're wondering who's giving Nvidia a run for its money in the AI cloud race, it's companies like CoreWeave. Unlike traditional cloud providers, CoreWeave focuses solely on high-performance computing tailored for AI, machine learning, and visual effects. Just how big is their impact? By the end of the first quarter of 2025, CoreWeave reported a staggering $25.9 billion in revenue backlog, with $11.2 billion coming from a strategic deal with OpenAI. That's not just growth, that's hypergrowth. And the momentum doesn't stop there. CoreWeave is aggressively scaling its infrastructure, adding over 420 megawatts of active computing power. That's enough to run entire AI research centers. They're also set to acquire cores, unlocking up to 200 more megawatts in IT capacity. But investors should note, Needham recently downgraded the stock, citing valuation concerns. When growth is priced into the stock before profits materialize, it can lead to short-term volatility. Still, the long-term thesis remains strong. CoreWeave is positioning itself as the AWS of the AI era. Could this be the next big cloud winner in your portfolio? Now let's talk about NXP Semiconductors, ticker NXPI. Based in the Netherlands, NXP might not scream AI at first glance, but it's a dominant player in automotive processors, especially in electric and autonomous vehicles. Why does that matter? Because cars are becoming AI-powered supercomputers on wheels. NXP recently announced the acquisition of Kinara, a company that develops low-power, high-performance neural processing units. These chips are essential for running AI models at the edge. Think smart cameras, traffic systems, and yes, self-driving cars. By combining Kinara's hardware with their own, NXP is creating a vertically integrated AI platform that could dominate in edge computing. Goldman Sachs has set a bullish price target of $276, reflecting confidence in a cyclical rebound. The downside? Demand visibility in automotive and industrial markets remains uncertain. But with AI models moving from the cloud to real-world devices, NXP is carving a niche that few can compete with. Is NXP quietly becoming the king of edge AI? Coming in strong at number 7 is Seagate Technology, ticker STX. Most people know Seagate as a maker of hard drives, but here's the twist. AI is changing the game when it comes to data. Massive language models like GPT-5 are data-hungry monsters, and someone has to store all that information. That's where Seagate comes in. Their heat-assisted magnetic recording technology is leading the next generation of high-density storage. Not only are their drives getting faster, but they're also getting more energy efficient, a major plus for data centers looking to go green. In fact, Goldman Sachs recently slapped a $170 price target on the stock, citing strong technological leadership. Mizuho chimed in too, raising its forecast and highlighting robust demand into 2026. Here's a fun fact. Seagate's Skyhawk AI drive is purpose-built for intelligent surveillance, a market that's booming globally. But the downside? Traditional hard drives face competition from flash memory. If flash continues to drop in price, it could eat into Seagate's market share. Still, with data volumes exploding thanks to AI, Seagate looks well-positioned to ride the next wave. Are they quietly becoming the backbone of the AI data world? Now, what's a chip without a controller? That's where microchip technology comes in. Ticker MCHP. Microchip specializes in microcontrollers and analog solutions, components that often fly under the radar but are vital in powering AI systems, from robotics to smart appliances. Goldman Sachs sees them as undervalued, initiating coverage with an $88 target and pointing out that current shipment levels are below true demand. Translation: there's room for a rebound. What makes Microchip especially interesting is their focus on data center optimization, accelerating high-speed connectivity, data retrieval, and even power management. They're building the infrastructure that allows AI servers to think faster and more efficiently. That said, the microcontroller market can be competitive, and pricing pressure is real. But if the AI build-out continues, Microchip has a front-row seat to the action. Is this the picks and shovels place smart investors are overlooking? Let's shift gears to Cadence Design Systems, ticker CDNS. Cadence isn't making chips. They're making the software that designs chips. Their AI-powered tool, Cadence Cerebrus, is transforming the way chips are built by automating complex design tasks. That's huge in an industry where time to market can make or break a product launch. With over 50 new customers adopting Cerebrus in Q1 alone, Cadence is seeing explosive momentum. Goldman Sachs gave them a buy rating and a $380 price target, calling it one of the highest quality compounding businesses in the semiconductor space. Their edge? A resilient, recurring revenue model and deep ties with virtually every major chipmaker. However, valuation is a concern. With a high PE ratio, Cadence is priced for perfection. Still, as AI demand grows, so will the need for smarter chip design tools. Could Cadence be the quiet genius behind every AI breakthrough? Now let's talk about precision. And few companies do it better than KLA Corporation. Ticker KLAC. KLA is a global leader in semiconductor process control. In simple terms, they make sure every chip that rolls off the production line meets ultra-tight tolerances, especially important for AI chips that operate at lightning speed. AI systems can't afford errors, and that's why demand for KLA's tools is rising. With a price target of $980, Goldman Sachs believes the company is in a good position, even if revenue stays flat short-term. As AI expands from data centers to smartphones, wearable devices, and more, KLA's role in the chip-making ecosystem becomes even more vital. The downside? They're heavily reliant on the semiconductor cycle, which can turn quickly. But for now, the AI build-out offers strong tailwinds. Is KLA the unsung hero of chip perfection? Next on the list, Synopsys, ticker SNPS. Like Cadence, Synopsys operates in the electronic design automation space. Their tools help chipmakers test and simulate AI chips before production. But here's where they stand out. Their intellectual property portfolio is massive, and it's growing fast. They're working closely with Samsung Foundry on next-gen AI designs for edge computing and high-performance computing. And Goldman Sachs sees further upside with a $620 price target. Synopsys is banking on the shift towards software-defined hardware, a trend fueled by AI's growing complexity. But again, valuation risk is real. The company trades at a premium, and any slowdown in chip investment could hit their numbers. Still, if you believe in the future of smarter, faster, more efficient chips, Synopsys is hard to ignore. Is Synopsys becoming the architect of the AI revolution? We're down to the final two, and you'll want to pay close attention here. Coming in at number 2 is Texas Instruments, ticker TXN. Known for their calculators? Sure, but today, TI is a giant in analog and embedded semiconductor solutions, the kind that help AI-powered devices manage energy, detect motion, and communicate with the cloud. In a strategic partnership with NVIDIA, TI is developing power management solutions for 800-volt high-voltage direct current systems in data centers. That's the kind of innovation driving next-gen AI infrastructure. TD Cowen recently upgraded the stock, boosting its price target to $245, citing a bottoming of the semiconductor destocking cycle. Their US-based manufacturing gives them a geopolitical edge, especially as nations seek to localize critical chip production. However, TI's growth is often tied to broader industrial demand, which can be uneven. Still, with AI extending into every corner of the economy, Texas Instruments is building the circuits that keep the future running. Is this your reliable long-term AI partner? Finally, at number 1, analog devices, ticker ADI. Often overshadowed by flashier names, ADI is one of the most essential companies in the AI ecosystem. Their specialty, high-precision analog chips, signal processors, and edge computing solutions that allow AI systems to sense the world around them. They're powering smart factories, self-monitoring medical devices, and real-time predictive systems. Think of it this way. While others focus on thinking, ADI helps machines feel. Goldman Sachs is bullish, giving the stock a $285 price target. The firm loves ADI's strong free cash flow, well-managed supply chain, and differentiated product suite. And while the near-term macro environment may create noise, ADI's position at the intelligent edge, where data meets action, makes it a compelling long-term bet. So, is ADI the silent force behind every AI decision made at the edge? And just to tie it all together, let's take a quick look at the numbers behind these AI giants. What stands out immediately is the incredible range in market capitalization, from global foundries at $22 billion all the way up to Texas Instruments commanding a massive $197 billion. That tells us there's room for both growth stage players and established titans in the AI race. Now, if you're after high-margin businesses, look no further than Cadence Design Systems with a whopping 85.16% gross margin, followed closely by Synopsys and KLA Corporation, both above 60%. These companies thrive on intellectual property and specialized tools. No surprise their margins are so strong. But if dividends matter to you, Texas Instruments and Microchip Technology lead the way with 2.5% and 2.4% dividend yields respectively, offering not just growth, but also consistent income. On the flip side, Cadence and Synopsys don't pay dividends, instead reinvesting heavily in R&D and innovation. EPS, or earnings per share, also tells an interesting story. KLA Corporation boasts an impressive $27.52 EPS, making it one of the most profitable per share. Meanwhile, Synopsys follows with $13.89, and NXP isn't far behind with $9.18. However, GlobalFoundries and Microchip are currently posting slight losses per share, highlighting where these companies are in their investment cycles. So, what does this all mean? It shows us there's no one-size-fits-all AI stock. Some offer stable profits, others give you high growth potential, and a few provide consistent dividends while still riding the AI wave. It's a diverse group, and that's what makes investing in this space so exciting. So now the question is, which of these AI stocks do you believe will lead the next leg of growth? Let us know in the comments below. And here are 6 cheap stocks with huge upside in 2025. Click on this video here.